I have this and this. As you see on the title of the this one's right. As you see on the title of the video, I'm going to be opening up a new camera. So I'm gonna have to flip through this part, but let's see. Where do I think right thing? Okay. Go right there. Comes in another box. Ooh. I'm excited. So I guess you're supposed to, yep. Right there, you push that thing out, open this thingy up. Okay, I think this is a TV cord. Yep. TV cord. Microphone instructions. Camera instructions. And you have to open this part up. This is the cable for the mic. This is, I think it's the charger for the camera.
You go on there?
This thing feels soft and cool. This is the mic. Really cool. Don't know what. Oh, this is the. I think it's the battery. Yeah, it's the battery. I don't know if it comes with a battery, but it has these modes right here. I don't know if it turns on. Nope. I think we're gonna have to go and get a battery for it. This thing comes off. It's a shotgun mic. Looks like a shotgun though. But you can loosen this and unloosen it to screw it on and then just tighten it back up. Put that right there. Comes with a little portable charging box. Ooh, and this is what I like. I love these things because whenever you're like far distance and you're like, I have to record it and then run all the way back and I just don't want to edit that. This is a really good thing. I don't want to pull this tab out because this is what starts it. But you just go all the way back. You can take a photo, take a video. You can power it off. You can zoom out, zoom in, go up, down, left, right, okay. Watch the video, turn on the light. I love the lights. Turn on the lights, go to the modes, go to the other modes. It's really awesome. I like them. It does come with a battery for the mic. That's awesome. Okay, got the mic battery. Comes with one, no, not one, but 2 batteries. And I have 2 of these at home, so that makes 4. Hey, Papa, guess what?
Heard it.
Yeah. Comes with 2, and then I have 2 at home that, because, yeah. And the big thing, it's called the camera. Gonna check in here, nothing else. Okay, put this in here. Yeah. All the trash goes in there. I'm probably gonna read these because it's pretty handy because I don't know how to control this thing. But here, I've never had one with this thing on it. Never in my life I've had one with that on it. This thing, definitely gonna have to have some adjustings. Okay, I'm gonna adjust that right now. The strap handle. There we go. I adjusted it. Right here you can see, take the video. Got some ports for the mic. It says MIK, mic. And then the HD cord and the USB cord. So, and this one's really easy to shut and open compared to my other one. And this one does take photos. My other one, it said it had a photo button, and it had a photo button, you just couldn't take photos. Don't know why. I guess you had to do it from this thing, because my other one had this. And the thing that my other one didn't have is this. It's that, a lens cap. This one has the lights right here. My other one had the lights on the bottom. I think this one has more zoom. Wait, yeah, this one has more zoom than my other camera. And sometimes I forget that this thing is on, so whenever I open it up, try to mess around with it, but nothing works. Oh, and yeah, on here, you put this in, stuff like that. I have a USB, I have an SD card at home. This is where you put this in. It's lined it up correctly, and mine, yeah, it's not lined up correctly. But yeah, this is my new camera I'm gonna be using. It does have a flip cam to where you can do this. I'm gonna be buying more accessories for it, because if I go like this, like that, and say like, hey guys, we're making a video, it's gonna be super zoomed in. So I'm gonna have to buy another thing that just screws onto this to where that can happen. And so yeah.